You want the top or the bottom book?
This is impossible. How did my signature get here? Who authorized this? What is my signature doing here? I need to understand who is responsible for this.
You know, we learned a lot of things over the years in my agency. One of the first things we learned is don't mess with somebody's family. Check and mate.
So, Mr. Walker, you didn't want my signature to absolve you from all that you did in the agency. This was what you wanted it for.
Sir, I have no idea what you're talking about. T,
You in a position?
in position.
Alright. How long you want me to disable the camera them for?
10 minutes.
Alright. Your 10 minutes starts now.
Oh, one more thing. You might want to check those.
What? Oh, I'm sorry. She shouldn't have sent it to your phone. Didn't I tell you to send it to his home address?
Alright, Mullins. What is it you want from me? Everyone has a price. What is it?
Price. Young man, you keep adding insult to injury. Let me tell you what you're going to do. You're going to go home, make love to your wife. Make love to the nurse too, if you wish. But you're going to be waiting on my call. In the meantime, Would you please, kindly, get the out of my office?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Minister,
Yes, sir.
you're going to wait on my call because you do know we need to talk.
Yes, sir.
I will tell you where and when. In the meantime, somebody get that boy some X-Lax.